how to change the Google Keyboard or Gboard default theme on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. Then tap on General Management. From here, tap on Gboard Settings or tap on Keyboard List in Default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Theme. And in here, go down to the default section and you can select a theme. So tap on a theme that you would like to use and then tap on Applied. So here we got default dark or dynamic color. So here, if I choose dark, then when I open up my keyboard, we show a dark keyboard, or we can choose a default light keyboard. And that's it. So that is how you can change the Google Keyboard theme on the Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.